3-axis milling improvements. In ZW3D 2022, 3-axis milling module has been remarkably upgraded, such as optimized machining order of lathe operation, add flat detection functions in QM roughing machining operation, optimized machining order of lathe operation. First, let's compare the toolpath machining order of lathe operations between 2021 and 2022. In previous versions, the machining directions of lathe operations is reversed in some machining area and will cause consecutive sequence error in cutting tool path. In ZW3D 2022, we optimized the kernel algorithm to make the sequence of machining area more reasonable. Therefore, ensure the cutting direction of each machining is consistent. Add flat detection functions to QM roughing machining operation. In this case, the blue color is the flat area, and we use it as an example to detect the plane. This is the predefined rough offset 2D operation. Open the operation parameter box of roughing offset 2D. This is the new functions of flat detection. It includes no, whole flat level, and flat regions. First, select no and calculate. As you can see, it will generate toolpaths without detecting flat according to the step-down set by user. Then, select whole flat level and calculate. It will generate the whole flat level of toolpath. Finally, select flat regions and calculate. As you can see, the toolpath will only be generated on the detected flat, therefore saving more time than whole flat level. These are key improvements of 3-axis milling in ZW3D 2022.